Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2003 Chevy Impala. We're going to be doing some videos today. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To reset the oil life, we're going to take the ignition key and turn it to the on position. Then if you have this style radio, you're going to make sure it's off and you're going to hold down the display button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once it comes up with settings, we're going to scroll to the right with the right arrow. Then it'll bring you to oil life. Then we're going to push 1. That brings you to reset. And then we'll push the display button again. Then it's done. Then to get out of this menu, we will scroll through. Just keep going through until you find exit. Exit, and then push display again. And then we can turn the key off.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.